This is Biotronix Class 4 Physiotherapy Laser. You can see the device. This is the Class 4 economical model. The power is 20 watt and 30 watt, available in 20 watt also, 30 watt also. And the wavelength is 980 nanometer. So you can see the quality of the product. This is economical model. We have the premium models also. I have already made the videos of the premium model. You can see in the videos in the channel. And this is our economical model. While this is economical model, but the quality you can see uh, much better than the one available in the market. So you can see the touch screen, the bigger touch screen, the knob for the intensity control, and emergency switch. You can see, and this is the probe. You can see the laser probe. This is quite lengthy probe. You can see, and this is detachable type. You can remove the optical fiber and you can put the same over here, or you insert the same and use the same. So this is the quality. And apart from this is the cold hammer available. Once you get the treatment over the area, and the area will cool up because this is hot laser, your area will become hot, so you can cool it down with the cold laser. So this is the cold laser, you can see. Oh sorry, this is the cold hammer, you can see. So this is also available with the device, and in the stand you can put out. This is the thing, and this is the carry box. You can see the cushioning inside the same. This is the transport box, and you can see you can lock the same from here also. Once you transport the same, this is the quality, and you can put the same as on the other side, and then you can use the device. So, and this is the protection for the patient if you are using the near eye or somewhere. So the patient can wear this thing, and also this is the protection glass, protection goggle case, and this is the protection goggle. So once you wear this, so the doctor will wear the same, it will protect the eye of the doctor. So this is class 4 laser, and now I will give you the demo of the device. You can see, and also this is the patient switch, or this is the doctor switch, foot switch. So I have already inserted the same from the below side, and once you press the same, the laser beam will come out. Once you release the same, the laser will be treatment will be over. So doctor can control the same with the foot hand while they are applying the laser. They can put press the same from the foot and keep on providing a treatment. Once they decided to treatment is over and release the same, the laser will stop. So I am putting the same in the foot position. Now I will show you the demo of the device, and as you can see, there is a switch over here. I press the same. You can see the touch screen coming, and the wavelength is 980 nanometer. So this is 980 nanometer. Once I press the same, I go into the physiotherapy section. 980 nanometer diode physiotherapy. Here you can see in the physiotherapy section, you have the power over here. The minimum power you can choose is 0.5 watt, and the maximum power you can choose up to 20 watt or 30 watt. So this is a 30 watt model, and you can see in the multiple of 0.5, I'm getting from 0.5 to 30. This is the maximum 30 watt, and if I want to decrease the same using that knob to save the time, I can go within the seconds. I can go up to 0.5. You can see. So I can use that knob also. I can use the touch screen also. So now I will put the same at 15 watt around to show you the demo. And this is the continuous mode. This is the pulse mode. So in the continuous mode, the power is there. No involvement of the pulse and frequency. If I select the pulse one, I can vary the pulse time milliseconds up to 60 milliseconds, and the frequency up to 9 hertz, 1 to 9 hertz. So you can see this is the continuous mode, and this is the pulse one. And now I will go to the continuous mode, and this is the aiming. So if you want the laser to be visible in the infrared, then you have to use that button. Once you press the same, this is the level 1 of the red light infrared visibility, level 2, level 3. So level 1 is the minimum, level 3 is the maximum. So the beam laser red color will be totally visible to you, more visible to concentrated. And once if you unselect the same, you won't be able to see the color over there, but laser beam is coming and you will be able to feel the heat of the same. But if you are watching the video in the video cam, you will see the laser beam coming out while I am using the same. So this is the aiming section, and this is the current time and total time. Once I start the same and I press the foot switch and I'm doing the treatment, doctor is doing the treatment, and once he will release the same, it will keep on counting how many times after switching on the device you have used the laser, or and what are the total times you have used. So here now I will show you the demo of the device. I will wear the protection glasses before operating the same, because this is a class 4 laser. This is the high intensity laser, hot laser. This is not the cold laser, this is the hot laser. It will give you heat, and I will show you by operating the same on my hand, or you can get the demo at our place and we will show you the product too. Also, I am using the paper to show you the intensity and the heat power of that device. On that paper, the paper will start burning, and now I will show you the same on my hand. So if I take the probe out and like this, and I press the start, the device is ready, and I choose the aiming. You can see it was nothing is coming out when the aiming is not. I have not selected the aiming button because here it is not selected as a level. But if I press this, if I press this level 1, you can see the beam. You can see the red color light coming out. This is not the laser. When I will start the device, I will press the foot switch, the laser will come out and that will be visible in the camera. But aiming, you have 3 levels, but this is the maximum. So you can see the red light coming out. This is the highest intensity, and this is the zero intensity. Laser will come out when I start the same, but you can't see with the naked eye, and because it is red color light is not coming out. So when I select, red color light will come out and you can see the same where it is concentrating. Red light is coming out, you can see with the higher level, and red light is coming out with the maximum level. So this is the difference of aiming, and so now I will operate the same in the aiming as a maximum level, and I will start. I already started the same, and now I will press the foot switch. So I have pressed the foot switch from. Now you can see. Now in the camera also you can see the laser beam coming out, and I am feeling the heat within the seconds on my hand. So I am keep on rotating the same for the treatment, and I am keep on pressing. The doctors keep on placing the foot on the foot switch, and I am getting the laser. I am getting the heat on my hand also, and you can see once I will release the my foot from the foot switch, it will be stopped. So you can see the beam in the video itself, and once I release, the beam will be stopped. You can see, and this is the aiming 0. So you can, I am getting the enough heat on my hand, and as I am not having any injury, and if I want to cool it down, I can use the cold embers. So this is the demonstration at 15 watt, and if I am not selected any aiming, you can see nothing is coming out. You can't see anything in the camera also. And once I start the same, and once I press the foot switch, laser beam will start coming. You can see this in the camera itself. I am not able to see the same because I have not selected any red light coming through. but the laser beam can be seen on the camera, and I am getting the heat. I am getting the same heat which I was getting the earlier, but the beam was visible because of red light. So that is the difference. I'm feeling a quite good heat on that area. So now I'm pause the same, and this was the 15 watt. Now I will use the same on black paper to show you the demo, because once you feel the physical demo you will get to know the quality of the product, or you can watch the light on the paper and then can decide. So start again, pressing the same. So without red light I am using it, but you can see the paper has got burned off. So, yeah, like this. So I have released the switch, pause. So this is the 15 watt, and this was aiming at 0. Now I will put at maximum, so you can see start button. So you can see that red color coming out now. Now once I press the same, you will see the beam also. Now I am pressing the same. You can see beam now. You can see beam, and then it start burning. So you can see. So I'm pausing the same now, and that was 15 watt. If I choose for the more power, I can go up to 30 watt. Now I will show the demo with 30 watt. So you can see in the aiming section. Now aiming section, red light is coming out, but not the laser. When I will press the foot switch, the laser will come out. You can see the laser beam coming out. Sorry, now it will come out because I have started the. Yeah, now I will feel the heat on my hand because the intensity is quite high. I'm keep on rotating the same. I'm using the same for far area also, and I'm covering the larger area, and I'm feeling the best quality heat on my hand. I'm stopping the same because the intensity is quite high, and I don't have any injury on my hand, so that is why I'm just going for the damage. So now I will use the same on my. It was start straight. Now I press the flame coming out. Now I am pressing the same and using the same. You can see. So you can see the intensity of beam, as 30 watt is quite good, and the paper has got burned. So that was the purpose, to show the same on paper, because this is the high intensity laser. This is not the class 3 laser or low intensity laser or low power laser. This is the high intensity laser, and this is the hot laser, and the power is 30 watt and quite good power, and you can vary from 0.5 watt to 30 watt. And I also take the 30 watt on my hand. That didn't burn my hand, but black paper will burn out because it take the energy to the maximum level and it got burned. So paper will burn out, not the skin, if you keep on rotating the same, and if you using the optimum distance from the skin, and keep on getting the output from the patient, whether you are getting the intense heat or not, and always increase the power gradually. So this was the demo of the device. I think I have explained everything, and if still any query or something related, you can put in the comment section, or you can WhatsApp us, you can call us. Our sales team will get back to you. You can purchase the product from Biotronix International from our website, or you can contact our sales team. Our sales team will send you quotation and all the details to you. And thank you for watching the video, but do subscribe our channel, because we are importing a physiotherapy and rehabilitation advanced equipments, and we have all the range from Takar therapy to magnetotherapy to PMT loop therapy and exoskeleton and a lot more. And we are keep on putting informational video and complete demonstration, complete video, everything explaining in that video, like I have done in the same also. So you will be getting to know the knowledge of the new product coming, and with the advanced technology you can upgrade your clinic with the latest products. So also it was the demo of the device. Now again summarize the same. This is the class 4 economical laser, 20 watt and available in 20 watt and 30 watt power. Also 980 nanometer is the wavelength of the same, and this is the demo of the device, and this is the economical model. We have the premium model also, and this is economical model, and this is the emergency switch last. And if patient feel any discomfort or doctor feel anything to be stopped right now, press the switch, the device will be stopped and it will not operate and beam will stop. Once you release the same, you can again go to the interface and start the treatment. So thank you for watching the video, and please share the video as more as you can to your colleagues. Also like the video if you find the information useful, and do subscribe for the future videos. Thank you for watching.